Hi everyone, I'm going to show you the fastest way to filter the data from Excel table or from Excel charts. And subscribe to my channel to stay updated for more Excel tricks. In this data, I have two pivot table, and from the table, I'm having two pivot chart. So during my presentation, I would like to show only selected data. So I'm going to now use the first chart, and then I'm using the Analyze ribbon, and then click on Insert Slicer. So Slicer is a tool where we can do a quick filter in Excel. And now I'm going to use the brands. Then tick the checkbox on the brands and then click OK. And then I get to see another text box with all the brands name. And then I'm going to make the box smaller, bigger, and I want to position where it's like up to us. And then now I'm going to click on the chill dairy. It's updating the table and also the sales chart. And also if I click on the chocolate or ice cream, my first table and chart keep updating. And I also want to make this slicer to update my second table and chart. So I'm selecting the slicer, go to the slicer ribbon for the latest version 2019, and for the older version, slicer tools, options ribbon, and then we click on report connection. After clicking on report connection, I'm going to link it to the two pivot table on my R2 worksheet. So after link it to the two pivot table, then I click OK. So now when I want to do my selection, it will be updating both my table and the chart. So you learn what is the quick way to filter the table and chart in Excel. If you want to learn more about Excel, by clicking the link, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Thank you for watching.